guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. We're going to be unboxing the next in the Bichos collection. It is none other than the Devil Spider. Da-na-na. But before we get into this, guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell as well, so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And guys, of course, if you like spiders, if you like Bichos, if you like these weird kind of collections, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband / cameraman, whose channel is called Cosas Partner. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, and guys, he does bilingual live streams that include yours truly. So make sure to go on over and subscribe to him and hit the bell over on his channel so you'll be notified whenever he goes live or post a new video. And well guys, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Guys, so we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Bichos, or in English, Bugs. And guys, this is none other than the Devil Spider, or Araña Diablo, as you can see there. And well, let's open this up. Here it gives a little description about devil spiders and a little bit about their habitat, as well as some other observations. And here it shows you all of the parts of the slide, which I will show you in just a moment, guys. And here on the side it gives all of the scientific names for the spider. Strong and fast, it says. Here it says they prefer open spaces. These guys look all kinds of crazy. Here is their main habitats. But which one of these guys do you like the best? tell me down in the comments below. I think this one is my favorite. He looks kind of awesome. His wings are like bluish. But you guys tell me what you guys think down in the comments. Let's continue on. Here are their main predators: birds, spiders, beetles, and reptiles. And their main prey are flies, spiders, escarabajos, so beetles, and bees. Got a bit stuck. There we go. And over here we have some games and puzzles. And you have a little quiz there. And well guys, that's the end of that. Now it's time to check out our brand new devil spider. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Alright guys. So here we have it. The devil spider. He looks really cool. That's the bottom of him there. Let me show you the top. He looks really cool. There you can see a bit his little face there. His underside there. This is just for me, this is just like a really cool collection. It's not something I would have ever thought I would be able to find in a kiosk. It does look really cool. And well guys, that's the end of that. Tell me down in the comments below, what do you guys think about this very interesting collection down in the comments. And well guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And guys, if you haven't yet, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas para Tener. It's a Spanish-speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff, guys. And more recently, he started doing bilingual live streams, which include me. So if you're interested in seeing that, make sure to go on over to his channel. I will have his links not only down in the description below, but in the end cards in the end of this video. And well guys, I will see you next time. Have a great day. Bye-bye.